Kourtney Kardashian has been criticized by fans over her latest post on Instagram, which shows her and husband Travis Barker promoting a plant-based food brand. The reality TV star, 43, and the drummer, 46, have just collaborated with US brand Daring Foods to promote their plant-based range of chicken, which is vegan. The pair posed together in an advertisement campaign for the brand, with one photo showing Kourtney eating the chicken whilst in the back of the vehicle with her husband. She's wearing a red bodysuit in the photo, with a leather-looking jacket on her knee as she tucks into the plant-based product, with the photo shared by Kourtney on Instagram. Seemingly referencing the iconic line she once said to sister Kim Kardashian, 41, she wrote, "Guys, Terry's chickens that are dying. Why we love at Daring Foods plant chicken." The post however raised questions among her followers on the platform, with some criticizing Kourtney for promoting plant-based food whilst appearing to wear leather. "Pretty sure you wear leather under seats in that car. Are probably leather too. Or are we just worried about chickens?" wrote one person in the comments section. Another said, "Chickens are dying but you're still rocking leather even in your picture. Makes sense, not." Whilst a third wrote, "Eating plant chicken while rocking leather." "Hypocrites," wrote another. A fifth asked, "Is your leather jacket made out of plants?" Questions have also been raised over the material of her bodysuit and choker. Daring Foods however appeared to come to Kourtney's defense in response to similar concerns on its posts featuring the couple, with it implying that the wardrobe was fully vegan. Do you enjoy reading about celebrities? Sign up for all the best celeb news from the Mirror here. The verified Daring Foods account responded to some questions about the clothing worn by Kourtney in the promo photos. 100% fully vegan wardrobe for the win. Some fans had similarly defended the Keeping Up with the Kardashians Allen by stating that it was possible that jacket was made of faux leather or synthetic leather. Another follower came to her defense by suggesting that even if she does wear leather, it shouldn't prevent her from promoting a plant-based product. Kourtney hasn't actually described herself as vegan, with her stating for the brand's campaign, "I'm not fully vegan, but Travis has helped me keep to a mostly plant-based diet." Travis however said that he went fully vegan about 15 years ago, with the Blink-182 drummer stating that he's excited for more plant-based food options to become available. The Mirror approached reps for Kourtney, Travis and Daring Foods for comment. Web celebs at mirror.co.uk.